Hi, I'm Michael Falgaris, the Director of Technology, Marketing, and Communications here at St. Rose High School.
And I'm Erin O'Brien, the Director of Alumni.
And we are excited to invite you to our first ever Realtor Open House.
On Wednesday, February 19th at 10 a.m.
So what's going to happen?
We're going to have tours of the school to show you everything that's new here at St. Rose High School.
And we think it's going to be a great opportunity for you to learn what's going on at St. Rose High School. We've done so many things in the last few years in the classrooms when it comes to technology and science and engineering. And so you'll be educated so that when you meet your clients and they ask you about what other schools are in the area besides public schools, you will be well informed to be able to speak about it. And we're excited to share some real estate news when it comes to St. Rose High School and the corner lot on 8th and Main Street. So come and learn a little bit more about that too. It's been in the news. And what else?
Well, there's so many exciting things happening at St. Rose. We'll also have refreshments for you, as well as a drawing if you bring your card for a gift certificate from Barlow's.
Yeah, I mean, you can't have an open house with realtors without food and a drawing of some sort. So that works. So, okay, the date, it's February
19th.
And it starts here at
10 a.m.
We're going to start promptly at 10 a.m. right? Because we know open houses sometimes are just open, but we're going to start promptly at 10 a.m. and get you in and out quickly. We want you to have an opportunity to network with others and, of course, learn about St. Rose High School. We look forward to seeing you on Wednesday, February 19th at 10 a.m.
See you there.